Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn easy English words with Marathi meaning. Let's start. B-O-O-K book. Book means pustak. P-E-N pen. Pen means pen. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil means pencil. ERASER eraser. Eraser means खोड रबर. SCHOOL schools. Schools means शाळा. TEACHER teacher means शिक्षक. STUDENT students means विद्यार्थी. CHAIR chair means खुर्ची. TABLE table means table. WINDOW window means खिडकी. DOOR door means दरवाजा. CLOCK clock means घड्याळ. BAG bag. Bag means दप्तर. BOTTLE bottle means बाटली. CUP cup. Cup means cup. PLATE plate. Plate means ताट. SPOON spoon. Spoon means चमचा. BED bed. Bed means पलंग. PILLOW pillow means उशी. FAN fan. Fan means पंखा. LIGHT light. Light means दिवा. ROAD road. Road means रस्ता. TREE tree. Tree means झाड. FLOWER flower means फूल. RIVER river means नदी. MOUNTAIN mountain means पर्वत. RAIN rain means पाऊस. CLOUD cloud means ढग. STAR star means तारा. MOON means चंद्र. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.